A bedroom is a place that should be a soothing and sublime retreat, where you can find shelter and new energy, time and time again. Here are some quick and easy steps to turn it into the space of your dreams. Finding the right comfort is the foundation for a restful sleep, and there are options for everybody, firm or soft, cool or warm. By choosing the mattress, quilt and pillow that suits you, you can make sure you get a good night's sleep. Let the sunlight wake you up or simulate nighttime during your afternoon nap. By layering and mixing different types of window treatments, you can adjust light and privacy as well as insulating the room. The bedroom is a multifunctional room that needs the right lighting to match. A mix of light sources at different heights around the room provides the right mood lighting to make the bedroom feel cozy. Bedside lighting does this job too, as well as offering functional lighting that can be directed right where you need it. Choose a color scheme for your bedroom. Using one color in different tones makes it easier to mix with patterns or accents. This way you can make your bedroom come alive and at the same time create a space that feels both cohesive and personal.